Hi, it's almost 4 months now. We are locked inside our home, and I've been facing or experiencing something which nobody has experienced in last 100 years. But this situation can come again. It can. I think you need to be prepared for anything and everything um, which can happen in future. Now it has started to show its impact as well. Now, if you look around, there are many people who has lost their job. They do not have any kind of earning, any kind of inflow coming in at their home. So do you think they should be worried? Of course, they should be worried because that until you worry, until you face a situation, you don't prepare yourself for this kind of hit. So it has started to attack your life. So you need to be prepared at this moment of time. And what is that you need to have? You definitely need to have a plan B ready with you. There are many people who say that I am happy and okay with my plan A, but there were many who said earlier that I am happy with my plan A is suffering today. So you need to have plan B ready all the time. And now this situation, which is pandemic, the COVID-19 situation has attacked your life. You attacked my life as well. So it has started to affect your lifestyle. It has started to affect your living as well. So it is hitting from all the sides. So get ready to face and probably get ready to have something, take up some kind of a challenge or get into something which will probably manage such kind of situation even if it comes in future. So that's something which I wanted to say all the time. And today you definitely need to build a passive income which will probably handle this kind of a situation even if it comes in future. But now you can also say, like what is you are talking about plan B, what is that we should be doing? Now there are a lot of things which you can do. But one thing which I always suggest today, looking at the growth, like direct marketing is something which will probably change the entire economy. In my previous videos, I have always mentioned that direct marketing in other countries except India has grown, and it almost close to 9.5-10% of the population is involved in direct marketing. And not only that, around 70% plus people buy their household products from direct marketing entities. In India, surprisingly, are less than 1% of Indian population is involved in direct marketing. Reason can be many. Probably their experience was bad, or probably nobody could reach to the right kind of a people, or maybe it did not had that kind of a power or a convincing capacity to take care of our or your requirement. But today it is there. Today even government is also supporting direct marketing as one of the major sectors which can take care of unemployment which is hitting our country today. So direct marketing is something where you can get in now. With the direct marketing, the advantage is one is you save your expenses reduce. So that is also indirectly is a kind of an income for you. So direct marketing ensures that you have a better quality product because they need to compete with the popular brands available in the market. So they can compete only if they have a better pricing and a better quality product. So by joining hands with a direct marketing company, A, you get a better quality product. B, you get a better pricing, or probably you save a lot of money. But is it that all the companies have good products? No, not really. I think you need to study a little and then you need to recheck what is that you are looking for. Is it that all the products are quite reasonable products? Again, not really. You need to again look at the options available in the market and you need to get it. But yes, when it comes to me, I am talking about an opportunity which can probably give you a passive income by utilizing your own network like Facebook does. Now, what Facebook does? Do you pay anything to Facebook? No, you don't. You don't pay anything to Facebook. But look at Facebook today. They are one of the largest entities today in the world. So they are actually capitalizing on your strength, your potential. So why don't you use your own potential, your own capacity? So by joining a direct marketing company, what is that you do? You actually utilize your own potential. So what happens? I don't know if you all have seen a movie. I am unable to recollect. I think the movie's name was Jai Ho, where Salman Khan was there, and he always used to say that, uh, "Thank you, mat bolo. You help three more people, and let them help three more people. So it will spread a message of goodness all across." So this is the same thing, like you do something good for people, let them also do something good for other people, and that is how the spread, message of goodness will go all across. So you capitalize on your own potential, and you can do that. Now the second thing is, today it's an hour of need that we start promoting and building our own economy by supporting Indian products. So the company to where I am associated is an Indian brand, and talks about being vocal for local. And I think all of us need to join hands and spread a message of goodness by talking about using Indian products, talking about using Deshi products and local products. I think products are good, and it can also build a huge income for you and your family. So and one more thing which is very important is, you don't even have to put in any kind of a money. What is that you need to do? You need to just capitalize on your own potential. Talk about being vocal for local. Talk about promoting Indian products. But yes, it has to start from you. The first thing you need to do is, you should start using Indian products. So whatever you use from morning till the time you go to sleep, just change 30% of the products. Trust me, your economy will grow. Today, because we are so much into other products, which looks good in when it comes to packaging and all, but what is that you get inside the box, you don't even know. But here we talk about education, we talk about giving better product, we talk about giving better life, we talk about giving a stable income to the people who are associated with this kind of a cause. The cause is what? Just promote Indian products. Be vocal for local. So be part of this mission, join hands, and let's discuss what it has for you. If you want to get connected, you can, my description is already there in my YouTube channel. You can also subscribe to this channel, which will help you get connected all the time. My number is also there. If you want to get connected and talk about it, discuss about it, or WhatsApp something, you are absolutely free to do so. So let's interact, let's meet, and be part of the mission which says be vocal for local. Thank you very much.